I don't suggest you to turn on your video because you know I'm going to back up the video in YouTube. That's why it means all the people can see your face. It's just for your own safety, okay, kind of security issue. Okay, that's why I think, okay, for our lesson, okay, I don't need you to show your face. That's why but of course if you are not
A and D.
okay, okay, if you not mind to showing you up in the YouTube, you can show it. Okay, right, A and D. You can take your book and then try to turn it, say by 90 degrees. Then you can see that they are congruent, right? Okay, and then any other pairs. And then we try once again. There are 4 figures we made. And then we'll try to see whether anyone there's another pair. Now it seems that I think I can cross out, say, which one? I can cross out this one. Okay, definitely. Okay, no other figures should be congruent to this one, right? And then of course, if you look at the remaining 3, I think I can cross out this one, right? Agree? And therefore, how about B and F? Do you think that they are congruent also?
Yes.
Yeah, therefore, now in this case, you have to state very clearly A and D. Okay, they are in one pair. Okay, and then B and F. Okay, so that people know that which one comes with which one. Okay, don't just write down something like that. Okay, you cannot write in this way, because if you write in this way, then people may think that these 4 figures are all congruent together. Okay, right. And then how about the next one? Number 3. Okay, number 3, in each of the following, okay, in each of the following, figure B is the image of figure A after certain transformation relative to a fixed point. Okay, the cross. And then write down the type of transformation. Can I circle with different color of pen? Yes, you can. Okay, you just you can write on your book, okay, with different colors. It is a very good idea. Okay. I really suggest you to write down some notes in your textbook. And then, of course, it is also a good practice. You use different colors so that you can highlight something with different meanings, okay? And then determine whether A and B are congruent. Now, therefore, for number 3, it is a kind of, we say that it is kind of integrated questions. It means it does not only need the knowledge of this chapter, okay? It also needs what you have learned in other chapters, okay? That's why you need to identify the type of transformation. We learned transformation before, okay? Right. How about let's look at it one by one. For part A, what kind of transformation is it? Do you know, still remember the name? Start with R.
Relation.
Reflection.
Reflection. Oh,
Reflection.
I have learned.
Okay. And then are they congruent?
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
because for reflection, okay, we don't change the size or we don't change the shape either. Okay, therefore, if it is formed by reflection, okay, the two figures are congruent. And then how about part B? What kind is it? B is the image. It means A is the original. And then B is the result. So that you can see that B is bigger. Therefore, what's that? If it becomes bigger. Okay, someone answer in the chat already. Can you see that? Enlargement. Can you see this word? Large. Large. Okay, it means the result becomes bigger. Therefore, that's why it is enlargement. And then, of course, in this one, for this one, okay, the size is already different. Therefore, we can quickly confirm that, okay, it is these two figures
D,
are
yes.
congruent,
D,
are not
no.
congruent.
D,
C, what kind,
yes.
what is it? C, what kind of transformation?
Rotation.
Rotation, yeah.
Ah,
Then how about D? Become smaller.
D, reduction.
Yes, reduction, reduce is the meaning of decrease. Okay, reduce is having the meaning as
So,
decrease. Therefore, it becomes smaller. Therefore, in this case, of course, if there's any change in the size, okay, the two figures are not congruent anymore. And then for part E, what kind of transformation is this? You imagine moving from left to the right, moving from, because it means originally, sorry, moving from right to the left should be. Originally, it is above the cross. Now the cross is here.
no.
Therefore, it is just moving from moving to the left.
Yes.
Moving to the left. Any change in the size?
Mm,
Do you think that one is bigger than the other? It just moves
no.
this way. If the figure is just moving in this way, therefore it is okay. Someone has answered translation, and
Translation
then
and then
no change in size, no change in the shape. Therefore, okay, they are congruent. Okay.
a
Any problem?
concurrent.
Any problems? Congruence.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Then we go to the next page. We go to the next questions. Uh, let's see. Should be this one. Okay. And then in the figure, oh, because I cannot show the symbol here, it becomes a funny symbol. Okay, triangle ABC, congruence to triangle XYZ. Name all the corresponding angles of the two congruent triangle. Now, this one, it means now I think you should, know the meaning, but I'm just want to show you how you write your answer. Okay, now therefore we can just follow the sequence. Therefore, hey, hi, what's going on? A correspond to X, and then B correspond to Y, like that. Okay, and therefore in this case, you need to write down the corresponding angle. It means you have to show people which one and which one are in one pair. Okay, therefore, you can write in this way. Angle A should be in pair with angle X. Okay, like that. Okay, and then you write a comma. And then angle B and angle Y. Okay, they are in one pair. Okay, and then you use the comma here. And then angle C and this angle Z or C. Okay, like that. Okay, it means you can imagine. Okay, if you rotate this angle so that A is in the bottom. Okay, then these two triangles should be the same.
Oh, alo.
Okay, and then number 5, this time you need to tell the corresponding size. Just now we talk about the angles. Okay, for number 5 we talk about the length or the size, and then this one should be this symbol. Okay, there should be no problem in your textbook. Okay, just when I open my Word file, okay, it cannot show those symbols. Now then, in this case, it is easy if we just look at here. Oh, not Q again. Okay, I write it once again so that you can see it clearly. Now here you can double check. You can double check by looking at the diagram here. Okay, now here QP. If you look at the first two, QP, and then NM, and then look at that. This is QP, right? And then NM. And then this time you can just look at it by observation. Okay, you should be able to see them in the figure. In the figure, they are equal, right? Same length. I mean the length here. Okay, these two are the same, right? And therefore they are in pairs. Okay, therefore they are called the corresponding size. And therefore it means we have QP and M. Okay, they should be in one pair. And then actually we can just look at the names of the triangle given, okay, by getting the other corresponding size. The next one, you can look will be PR, the last two. Then it means PR should correspond to ML. And then you can double check in your figure, PR is this length. And then ML is here. Okay, therefore we have PR and ML. Okay, they should be in one pair. They are the corresponding size. Okay, do you understand up to this point? Do you understand? And then we have the last one because there are 3 sides, okay, in a triangle. Okay, the last one will be look at these two. Okay, the first and the third one. Okay, first and the third one. Right, QR and L. Okay, now therefore, later, okay, if you are asked to name the congruent triangles, you have to follow the correct sequence like that. Okay, so that people can trace back the corresponding size like that. Okay, it means it is not a good way if you write in this case, Oh, I need the
Đấy.
pen.
Stop.
Okay. Now, in this case, it is fair. It is not a good practice if you write something like that. Triangle QPR congruent to M and L, like that. Okay, therefore, it just confuse people, because when people look in this way, QP actually does not correspond to MN. Is it QP, QP? Oh, QP is M, MN is okay, but how about which one? Which one has problem? QR should
Here
be
two sun.
QR and ML. Okay, they are not corresponding. Okay, therefore, in this case,
Here
you have
two sun.
what's going on? Okay, now no sound.
Here two sun.
Hey,
Eh?
hi. Is this okay now? There should be one only. I only turn on one microphone.
Eh?
Okay. Is this okay?
I hear the other side.
You hear the other sound? Why? You are Asian? Do you have more than one device working? Is this normal? Yeah, it's normal. Okay. Is this normal now? Okay. Right. I don't have the other one join the audio. Okay, okay. Right. Then we continue. Okay. Just go back here. Okay. Make sure you write it in sequence. Okay. You know what I mean, I think. Right. Then this is the case we need to do. Okay. In the next question. Now, in the next question, okay, from question 6 to 9, and then you can see that you are asked to name the congruent triangle. Okay, therefore you can't hear now, Gabriel. Someone said that anyone cannot hear me now. Gabriel, are you here? Yes, I love the classroom. Oh, okay. What's going on?
What?
Anyone wants to come in? Because someone asked me whether I have locked the classroom. Yes, I have locked. Okay. Yes.
What?
Right. I will lock again.
Okay.
Huh? What? Who? Anyone wants to come in now? No? Okay. Right. Then we continue. Okay. Now you need to name the congruent triangles. That's why you need to find, say, C and F are in one pair, and then B and D in one pair, right? And then the remaining A and E should be in one pair, okay? Therefore, in this case, you need to write in this way. Triangle A, B, C, congruent
Is it one sun or two suns?
to triangle E,
I know. I think
E,
it is two
F.
signs.
Why?
But I hear two same sounds.
You anyone can help you?
What? I
Anyone
can't
can help
hear
you?
one sound. I just hear two sounds.
But what you are using now, Adrian?
What 回音? I just
Uh,
hear two them saying.
oh my God. How about in this way? Um, let me
Oh,
see.
horrible.
How about like that?
And other one side is still talking.
Is this okay now? Let me see. Is this okay now, Adrian? Because I just
I
tried
still
to.
can hear two sounds.
Okay. Right. Someone suggests you to join again. Maybe you leave the meeting and then join again, Adrian. I have unlocked the meeting. Try. Adrian, can
And
you
then
hear
I
me?
join again, thank you.
You join again okay, well, already? Is this okay now? Better? Any problems? No problems now? Okay. He disappeared. And then we are waiting for him, right? Let me see. Is this here now? Who is that? Someone has left, right? Okay, we wait. Yeah. But where are they? Yeah, Eugene left. Why? Yeah. He thought we have finished the lesson.
He went off.
Hello?
He went off by accident.
Why?
I don't know. He just WhatsApped me that he wants to come into the lesson again.
Yeah, then comes. I have unlocked the meeting. It's not locked. They can come. Disconnect. Right. Okay, you can then the remaining you can continue with the exercise. You can just write down the answer in your book and then we just check the answers together. Okay, number 7, number 8, number 9. I mean question number 7, number 8, number 9. Okay, right. And then how about Asian? Where is he? Disappear. Let me share the questions again. We should be here, right? Can I move it? No. Can anyone WhatsApp Adrian? Is he okay now? Right. Now, how about question 7? Okay, question 7, I think it is still easy to look at it. Okay, first, you should be able to find P should which corresponds to L, right? And then you can say there are several ways to find the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Okay, first we know that P and L, okay, are in one pair. And then second pair we can find should be M and R, right? By looking at this symbol. And then also you can also see in this way, if you try to follow the points, go from L to M. Oh, he's here. If you try to follow in this way, L to M, and then you can double check if you go from P to R, okay? It says, oh, sorry.
Back again.
Are they the same size, same length? Okay. Hi, welcome back. Are you here? Are you okay now, Adrian? Is this much better?
I'm okay now.
Okay, thank you. Right, then we can continue. We are talking about question 7. Question 7, okay. And then in this case, okay, you can look at it quickly. Okay, P, the angle P should correspond to angle L, right? And then angle M should correspond to angle R, right? And then of course you can double check the remaining angles and angle N and angle Q. Okay, and then you can also look at the length of the side. Look at the length of the side. And then just now I was talking about if we go from L to M like that, okay, we are talking about this length. And then you can double check with the other triangle. Now you should follow this. It is better if you follow the same direction. Okay, I go from L to M, the red one to the blue one. And then in this case, you also trace from the same color. Okay, red to blue. Okay, it means P to R. Okay, the length here. Okay, and then it indicates that they are same length. Okay, of course, you can double check the others. Okay, double check the others. Okay, from L to N, this length. From P to Q, this length. Okay, and then the lengths are equal. Okay, therefore in this case, we have triangle, okay, P, Q, R, congruent, and then you have, make sure you follow the correct sequence. P should correspond to L, and then Q correspond to N, and then R correspond to M. Therefore, we have triangle PQR congruent to triangle LNM, like that. Okay, right? Do you think you are able to do number 8 and 9 by yourselves? Should be okay, right? Then we move to the next one. I think better we look at question 12 to question 15, okay, because of the setting of my iPad, okay. Question 10 and question 11 will be at the bottom, okay, not easy to show you in the screen. That's why we look at question 12 onwards. Okay, and then you are asked to find the unknowns in each of the following pairs of congruent triangles. Now, in this case, you can see that if we look at number 12, watts. And then if you look at number 12, okay, you are given the triangles.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, they are congruent. Okay. then we
有。
can see that we can look at that. We need to find x first.
Yeah.
And x is RQ.
Me too.
RQ.
Me too.
RQ.
Me too.
What?
Me.
What? Me too. What? Okay. And then you can see that RQ should be equals to VU.
Yes.
Okay, understand?
Understand.
Then in this case, RQ is X. Then how about VU? VU is 5. Therefore, we have already defined X. Okay. And then next one will be T. We want to find Y. Y represent the length of TU. TU. Okay. And then therefore this time TU. Okay. Corresponds to PQ. Therefore TU equals PQ. And then look at PQ. And therefore in this case Y equals 6. Okay. And then we look at this part. Okay, we want to find C. Okay, C is angle U. Okay, angle U. Angle U equals angle Q. Okay, and therefore this one, this C equals angle Q is a right angle. Okay, therefore 90 degrees. Okay, understand this part? And then I think I will leave number 13 for you. Okay, you can do it by yourself and then check the answer. But I don't quite worry that you have difficulties in finding the angles or the
length
the
and
length.
then answer.
Yeah, but the case is that I'm just worried about how you write the steps actually. Now, look at 14 now, and then look what we need to
I
find.
think this.
Maybe we find P first. Anything about P? P, this one is talking about DE. DE
equal AC.
Yeah. And therefore, we first need to write down DE equals AC. And then DE is P plus 5. And then equals 7. Okay, therefore P is something plus 5 equals 7. P is 2. Okay. And then after finding this one, and then we need to find Q. Okay, Q is AB. Okay, therefore we have AB equals AB equals FE.
I will ask how to find this.
And then 4 minus Q equals 3. That was Q.
Q. I think Q.
4 minus something equals 3. 4 minus something.
I think 2.
2. 4 minus 2 equals 3. Think carefully. 4 minus a number.
I make a mistake.
Okay.
1.
Yes. Okay. That's it. This is number 14.
Yes, finish.
Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Right. I think maybe I stop here, a bit shorter lesson today, but I hope you can follow the example and finish these two also by yourself. Are you okay?
Yeah.
And then we start with exercise 11B tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because they are different types, I don't want to just mix everything up and then you will be very confused. Okay, that's why we just stop here and then we'll do exercise 11B tomorrow. Okay, they are different kinds of questions. Okay, and then
Yes.
you can try the other question in exercise 11A if you want.
Yes.
Okay, right? Okay. Tomorrow I need to go back to school. That's why we can still have the lesson, but I will have the lesson with you in the school. Okay, I'll stay in the staff room.
Things
Yeah,
why you ready?
because you know DSE is going to start.